Hey, what is up guys, Classic Guy with a brand new video, and in this video we are going to be downloading the Amazing Spider-Man 2 on your Android. So watch this video till last and subscribe our channel for more updates. So we're back now, and what we're gonna do firstly is go and open your Chrome browser and type in like AC Market APK download, and by typing this, click and go and click that first link. I have provided the link in the description, you can follow that too, and after that you should download it, and I have already downloaded it, but I'll show you guys by clicking on it. So hit the download, and my download has completed. Hit the install button. So now this AC Market is installing. This app is awesome, and you can get each and every game in here for free. This app is awesome, guys. You can find like Modern Combat, Asphalt 9 in this app. So I recommend you to use this app. Hit the open, and I will this app is installed, and I will hit the open button, and the interface is like this. And go to search menu and type in like the amazing will be and as you guys can see, the Amazing Spider-Man 2. Now simply you can see that these photos, it's an original game and without no virus. You can also find many games like this: PUBG, GTA 5, GTA 3, GTA 3, Mortal Kombat, and many more games. And the install, and now it will take a while because it's in 1 GB game, so it will take a while. So let me just go to downloads. So it's installing, as you guys can see, and it's like 1 GB. It's like 1 GB of game. So as you guys can see, my file is downloaded. Now I will open this. Game lost. I like this game because its graphics are awesome, and it's also an open world game. It has a vast city in it, and the game quality and the controls are also awesome in this game. You guys must try this game once. This is an awesome game which you can play on the Android. So guys can see it's working, and it has gotten pretty amazing graphics. I love this game. It has got an open city in it. So hit the like button if you like the video, and subscribe our channel for more updates like this. Peace out, guys. Thank you for watching.
Right, motherfucker, yeah.
class, we was smoking chill. It was only gym and lunch, we thought it was real. I was even feeling math, I ain't even care. Yeah, just to be around you made it worth it. I dropped out, but you still said I'm perfect. I remember at the